Hello kids, welcome back again to our video lessons in math subject. We are now in quarter 4, week 1 and 2. The reference that I am using from Math for Life 4 can be found on page 177. Your teacher, Mr. Ray D. Montesili. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to find the least common multiple of two numbers. Please prepare the following: ball pen and paper. This is a sample worksheet paper that you are going to use. For today's lesson class, you will be learning about least common multiple. It is finding the common multiple of two numbers. In finding the common multiple of two numbers, you can use any of the following method. You have listing method, using prime factorization, and using repeated division. In listing method, you are just going to list out the multiples and then find the least common multiple. In prime factorization, you are going to use the 3 method and list down all the prime numbers, then multiply to get the least common multiple. Or using repeated division to get the least common multiple. Example of listing method. You have to find the least common multiple of 4 and 6. Bell's solution. You can use listing method to find the LCM of 4 and 6. Step 1. List the multiples of 4 and 6. The multiples of 4 and 6 are these. After listing all the multiples of 4 and 6, you're going to proceed step 2. List the common multiples of 4 and 6. We have 12. We have 24. And we have 36. Next step, identify the least common multiple of 4 and 6. We can identify easily. 12 is the least common multiple. Therefore, the answer is 12. The least common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Example of 3 method in finding the least common multiple. In finding the least common multiple of 24 and 30, you have to factorize 24. You have to factorize also 30. And then, use the prime numbers of 24, bring down below. Use also the prime numbers of 30, bring down below. And then you have to multiply 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 is equal to 24. Therefore, the least common multiple of 24 and 30 is 24. For your first activity class, you're going to copy and answer on your paper. Find the LCM of each set of numbers. You have to answer 1 up to 4. For your test 2 or activity 2, find the LCM using 2 methods. Find the LCM by listing method, 50 and 80. Find the LCM prime factor 3 method, 50 and 80. For your test 3 or activity 3, use your paper to answer. Write the prime factorization of each pair and then give the LCM. You have to answer 1 up to 4. Always remember class, please keep your worksheets, paper, and submit it to your teacher on the next returning and submission every Monday. Video lesson has ended. Thank you for listening and goodbye.